Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
In some ways, we are evil. Oh God, help us to see it and amend. In some ways, we are good. Help us to be better. Recreate in us the soul of service, the spirit of peace. Renew in us the sense of joy, the sense of power of good.
We are a BPS, we are a DPS, we are in advance. We show our mind, we show our mind. We always fight, we are always fearful. We believe in tolerance, we believe in forgiveness. We are a BPS, we are a DPS, we are in advance. We show our mind.
In the morning assembly. It's our privilege to call our principal sir for welcoming chief guest for the day, Mr. R.P. Mishra, Principal DAV Nigari. Sir, please.
Myself, Aksar Kafi, and I am here with the thought of the day. It takes courage to live your truth, but what you get in return is self-respect. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Krishna Chakravarti and my scripture goes like this. Indriyani pranya nurendriyapya paramantha mansastu parabuddhi yobuddhe patastu sahab.
Good morning. Myself Natika Sonikar. I am going to tell the meaning of the scripture. The senses are superior to the gross body, and superior to the senses is the mind. Beyond the mind is the intellect. Even beyond the intellect is the soul. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Myself, Harsh Pratap Singh. Today I am going to present news headlines. ABC journalists choose to leave India despite being granted visa Australian officials. Modi thanks Italian PM for invitation to G7 meeting in June. Pakistanis Hindus in Rajasthan who miss CAA cut-off stare at uncertain future. Planet of the Apes franchise looks to the future with new film Kingdom. Indian embassy attack UK resident involved in violence arrested by NIA.
Good morning. Myself Sohani going to represent some sports news headlines. Delhi Capital beats Gujarat Titans in IPL 2024. Delhi Capitals climb to 6th on IPL 2024 point table. Mohit Sharma delivers most expensive spell in IPL history. SRS to take on RCB in IPL 2024. Pakistan to face New Zealand in 4th IPL T20. Thank you and have a nice day. You are meant to be. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine.
Be yourself because who you are is exactly who you are supposed to be. Again, a very warm good morning to one and all present over here.
I, Rishka.
entire third of class 9B welcome you all in the morning assembly on the topic You are who you are supposed to be.
You are who you are supposed to be involves exploring the idea that each individual possesses a unique identity shaped by a combination of internal traits, external influences, and personal choices.
By embracing the essence of you are who you are supposed to be, you acknowledge the intricate tapestry of backgrounds and aspirations that contribute to your identity.
It's about recognizing that authenticity stems from honoring your true self regardless of social expectations or external pressures.
Now, to give more light on the topic, I would like to invite our friend Purvi to deliver a speech.
Go up who you think you are supposed to be. Embrace who you are. Life is all about learning lessons. We are given challenges in order to help us grow. We are often worried about what our next move should be or where we are heading in future, but we should focus on our present. The past we experienced is what got us to where we are today. Trust in your strength and the inner guidance that you have cultivated on your journey. But I also won't deny that there are some times which are tough and when we have no idea of what we are doing and then we start comparing ourselves to others. Others we see on social media who are living perfect life according to us. But in that whole process, we forget that we are exactly where we need to be in order to become the best version of ourselves, and they are exactly where they are supposed to be in order to become the best version of themselves. Even Kabir Das ji said, जैसे दिल में तेल है, जो चकमक में आग, तेरा साई तुझी में है, तू जाग सके तो जाग. Which means, just as the seed has oil, and the spark is the essence of light, divinity, inspiration lies within you. Realize if you can. We don't have to copy successful people in order to become successful. We don't have to take the road they took. Our journey might look different than those around us, but that's because it is uniquely ours. No one can ever pretend to be someone, no matter how great they are at mimicking, imitating, or even reading the character. Everyone's different. All the characteristics you have got, no one else does. Your flaws are your strength in disguise. Look what you have got and embrace that. Once you acknowledge and understand that, you will have the strength that you need to upgrade yourself for that betterment. And we don't have to wait for the right place or time, because we are always in the right place at the right time. We always experience what we need to in order to evolve. Even if it's something that we detest, that aggravates and confuses the living daylights out of us. We are meant to be who we are and where we are. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Your core values and embracing your individuality, you not only enrich your own life but also inspire others to do the same.
In a world that often values conformity, being true to oneself is a radical act of self-love and empowerment. It paves the way for genuine connections and meaningful contributions to humanity's collective tapestry.
Each individual contributes their authentic self, bringing their unique perspective, talents, and experiences to the collective effort.
With these thoughts, I would like to invite our friends to give their live performances.
प्रीति प्रीति सबने मिले सारे सुन के मैं मुन आऊंगी हमारा इस दुनिया की होगी कहीं मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी एक जिंदगी मेरी सफारी शाम एक मैं पूरी करा एक जिंदगी मेरी सफारी शाम मैं जीना मैं पूरी तरह की रोक है तो है जो मैं दिल में फिर भी गुम है रहना लाइफ थोड़ी हार्ड है अंधेरे के कारण पर हम ही तो स्टार है रहना हमारा इस दुनिया की भूमि नहीं मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी एक जिंदगी मेरी
Was Srinivas Ramanujan. On 26th April, we will commemorate his death anniversary. So, to shed more light on his life, I would like to invite Nilakshi to give a speech.
Dear friends and teachers, today I stand before you to talk about one of the greatest mathematical minds in history, Srinivas Ramanujan. Born in Erode, Tamil Nadu in 1887, Ramanujan's contributions to mathematics are nothing short of extraordinary. Despite facing numerous obstacles, including poverty and limited formal education, he made groundbreaking discoveries that continue to influence mathematics to this day. But Ramanujan's journey to mathematical acclaim wasn't easy. Rejected by universities in India due to his unconventional methods and lack of formal training, he faced immense challenges. However, his persistence and unwavering belief in his ability eventually led him to Cambridge University, where he collaborated with eminent mathematicians like G.H. Hardy. Tragically, Ramanujan's life was cut short at the age of 32, but his legacy lives on. His contributions to mathematics continue to inspire generations of mathematicians worldwide. Today, we honor Ramanujan not only for his remarkable intellect, but also for his resilience, passion, and dedication to the pursuit of knowledge. I would like to put an end to my speech with a quote said by him. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It's all about understanding. Thank you and have a nice day.
Tushar, blessings on us.
Thank you, Krishna and Athar. Good comparing. And thank you, Class 9 B children, for taking up this lovely assembly, for inspiring all of us with your beautiful speeches, and the dance that you performed, along with the live music, needs a special applaud from all of us. Last year, I had made a request to all the class teachers to conduct dance programs along with live music. So in the beginning of the session itself, we had this today's assembly along with what we had planned. So I look forward to many more such performances. Live music adds on to the charm. We are not dancing to the tunes of already recorded music. So today's topic is also something related to that, which suggests, today's theme suggests that we need to appreciate the uniqueness that we all are blessed with. Robert Frost has written that from among the two roads that he wanted to travel, he took the one that was not traveled most by people, and that made all the difference in his life. So don't imitate others, don't try to be like others, be what you are, because you are created by God, and God has made us all unique. We are all beautiful, we are all bountiful, and we are all blessed with His blessings. We are all blessed. So keep following these little tips in life, and I'm sure your life is going to bloom. We are blessed today to have amidst us Dr. R.P. Mishra ji, Principal of DAV Nigahi. Today we celebrated Ramanujan's birthday. You heard about the speech from Nilanjana, Nilashi, yes. He spoke about Ramanujan. And we have R.P. Mishra sir. His subject is also mathematics. You all keep listening to me in every assembly, so today I will speak less, and I will request sir to come and tell us about his life, his inspirations, and thereby inspire us also. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, children and dear friends. Today's I have got an opportunity with you. For this great opportunity, I would like to extend, first of all, my thanks to you children, school, entire team, and no doubt the team leader, your principal, sir. What I felt just entering up the school and during the assembly, really it is, you can say that you are enough fortunate that you are a student of DPS, Delhi Public School Organization, and here in Nigahi. DPS is one of the largest and greatest and the most branded organization in education sector. And before the assembly, earlier we were talking with your principal, sir. It is not only in India, it is in world class. So if any ranking is there in world class, nearly 50, so it is really, it is proud of us, proud for India, proud for Nigahi, and you are a student of such a great organization, great school. R.P. Mishra, principal from DAV Nigahi. DAV is also one of the largest educational institutions, organization in education sector in India. I am not here to compare anything much more, but one thing, like I have listened the speech delivered by the student, good name? Urvi and Meenakshi. Okay, so two topic, just I want to discuss with you. Like the topic was there, one word, sentence was there, who you are, what you suppose to yourself. Yes, really it is not only a sentence, not only a word. It is the key point, not only for the school, for anywhere. You know, school, what we say school? School is the place of learning. School is the place of learning. Here in the school, you may learn about everything because of you are small kids, grown year by year, reach to senior secondary classes. It means right from your childhood, small kids, nursery or class 1 to class 12, you are here in the same campus. It means you learn a lot of things. आप छोटे बच्चे आपस में झगड़ा कैसे करते हैं वो भी सीख करके एंड हाउ यू आर डिसिप्लिन यहां तक जाते हैं. So children, you have an opportunity as a student of DPS, and as every school is a place of learning, the topic is also there. What you are, suppose yourself, you have capacity, ability, a lot of capacity you have, but sometimes you don't know what you can do. You are unable to explore yourself. That's why you are coming to school, and school is providing a platform to you to explore your hidden talent. And opportunity when you have, you must come forward to make exposure yourself what you can do. Because of there is no lack of ability, no lack of capability. बोलते ना छोटा बच्चा अभी क्या करेगा, ना छोटा बच्चा ही करेगा. And you must have, it is my personal view, when I with the students, I always try to tell to students, you must try to expose yourself when you have opportunity. If you don't have opportunity, you try to get it. Explore yourself. Be confident. And I have given a one slogan to student. It is my personal, but perhaps you also feel good if I say that slogan is that yes, I can. Yes, you can also say that yes, I can. If you feel like this, yes, I can, I think so that will be help to you to achieve your target. You have a lot of knowledge, lot of things. Like sir told today's a great mathematician Ramanujan's birthday is. Suppose you have two digits. One is 0, another is 1. And when you combine these two digits, so there is a two ways. First you put 0, then 1. In second way, first you put 1, then 0. Digits are same, activities are same, but placement is different. Means skill is different. When you start with 0, 0, 1, its value, and 1, 0. क्या हुआ छोटे बच्चे? और 0, 1, क्या अंतर हो गया दोनों में? 1 और 10. Am I right? So you have opportunity to develop your skill. Instead of putting 0 and 1, you can put 1 and 0 and make you 10 times better than 0, 1. And DPS is a platform. DPS is a school which provides you such opportunity to develop your skill. So students, you all are very good, very intelligent, disciplined. See, when we listen any spokesperson, so after their lecture, we are discussing, अरे बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. Am I right? Among you, one spokesperson is here who has delivered her speech. How beautiful she delivered her speech. This is the opportunity, this is the platform. So you all are talented, blessed, capable, and you have equal capacity. You don't think like who has secured 95 and who has secured 50, they are different capacity students. No, you both have the same capacity, but matter is that how you are going to utilize your capacity by putting 0-1 or 1-0. This is the only difference. So dear children, once again, I would like to extend my thanks to you all for listening me, honor me, and about your activity, your brand, your administration, your team leader, your teachers. I sure that really it is DPS, known as a brand of education sector because of you all and your entire team. Really, sir, it is very amazing, and I have learned a lot from your assembly too. It doesn't mean that teachers will never learn. पढ़ लिया हो गया, पूरा हो गया, उनका काम पढ़ाना है, ऐसा नहीं है. टीचर भी लर्न करता है, प्रिंसिपल भी लर्न करता है, वो आपसे भी लर्न करेगा. When we visit somewhere, when we new things and which are is good in, we learn, we ask how, what, where you are doing this one. So everywhere learning is there, but school is the best place and right place to learn, to develop your skills. So please, opportunity is in your hand. You must avail the opportunity. You must expose your hidden talent and try. आजकल कहते हैं हार्ड वर्क. Not only hard work. Now the day. ये कुछ बोलना चाह रही. What you are saying? Yes, a smart work, hard work along with smart work. It is demand of the time. So you do it and achieve your target, fulfill your goals, and on behalf of my DAB organization, DAB family, I would like to extend my thanks and congratulate this assembly and beautiful assembly. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you, Principal. Thank you.
All the students and all the staff members for years to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for such guiding word. Now, from DPS family, DPS Nigai family, we would love to thank you for giving your precious time to come and attend our assembly. So, I'll request Principal, sir, just to give away a token of memento to the chief guest of the day, Mr. R.P. Mishra, Principal, DAB Nigai.